It started out like an IKEA flat pack. And to be honest, when it was delivered, I thought they forgot most of it. I mean, how can this be a 9 by 8 meter American barn? But I was proven wrong, because within a few days it grew into my dream garage / workshop. Finally, my 1961 Kombi van, which has been sitting out in the weather for a number of years, is finally getting a new home. You know, it's funny, I never had a garage this big before, and I imagined there to be so much room for equipment and workshop area, but I may have got a bit carried away with equipment, and it didn't take long to start filling up and running out of space. So those lovely legs aren't mine, they're actually Simon's. And he was the one that showed me how I might approach the walls, paneling and insulation for this. So I had to move everything that was there and found the Kombi was actually useful. And then an endless supply of framing had to go up. Insulation, and finally MDF paneling. For the ceiling I'm using foil board. It's an Australian product that uses styrofoam with a layer of aluminium on both sides. It's time to create some shelves for this garage, and I've got a bit of an obsession with curves. I think it's why I like the Kombi so much. There's not a sharp corner on it, and I wanted to include this into my shelving system as well. There's a lot of YouTube clips out there about French cleats, and this is my spin on it. French cleats are very useful as a dynamic shelving system where you can put things up and move it around as needed. I've gone for one which has a locking mechanism. This is my most useful tool in the garage, an old pencil sharpener from the 40s. I enjoyed working with wood, but my goodness, the mess, the sawdust that it creates. The end product is a lot brighter garage. I'm really happy with how things are organized now.